Welcome to another video of After 12 our series को कंटिन्यू करते हैं. This is episode number 7, business awareness and current affairs. First news है Pakistan to stay on grey list. Pakistan will continue to be on the grey list of the Financial Action Task Force FATF as it need to further demonstrate that action is being taken against UN designated terrorists like India's most wanted Hafiz Saeed and Masood Azhar and group led by them the global body against terror financing said. अगर आप लोगों को नहीं पता ग्रे लिस्ट क्या होती है तो एक बार गूगल करके सर्च करना. HDFC Bank USAID other launches USD 100 million COVID-19 credit facility for MSMEs. HDFC Bank in partnership with MasterCard, US International Development Finance Corporation USIDFC and US Agency for International Development USAID launched a USD 100 million credit facility to promote and encourage small businesses in India to digitize while also helping them, particularly women-owned one, to recover from the pandemic. Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award at 52nd IFFI. Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Anurag Thakur announced that Istvan Szabo and Martin Scorsese will be conferred the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award at the 52nd International Film Festival of India IFFI in Goa. MORD 152 Saksham Center launched under DAY-NRLM. Ministry of Rural Development launched 152 Saksham Center under Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Mission DAY-NRLM. These centers were launched as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. China passes new land border law aimed military standoff with India. The law, which become operational from January 1st next year, stipulates that the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the People's Republic of China are sacred and inviolable. AU Small Finance Bank launches Soundbox for Payment Alert. With an aim to enhance its reach in digital payment, leading a small finance bank, AU Small Finance Bank AU SFB launched a QR code box, Soundbox. Bharti AXA signed bank assurance partnership with Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. Bharti AXA Life Insurance Company Limited, Bharti AXA Life, entered into a bank assurance partnership with Utkarsh Small Finance Bank to ensure distribution of life insurance product through the bank's network across India. This partner will enable the Bharti AXA Life to reach Tier 2 and Tier 3 market with insurance solution and increase the reach of insurance in India. बेसिकली ये जो वर्ड है बैंक एश्योरेंस, ये हो सकता है आप लोगों के लिए नया हो. तो इसका मतलब है कि एक तरह से पार्टनरशिप होती है इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के बीच में और बैंक के बीच में कि वो जो अपने क्लाइंट का डेटा है, क्लाइंट के बारे में एक दूसरे को बताए ताकि दोनों की रीच बढ़ सके. IBDF re-elects K. Mandavan as president. K. Mandavan, country manager and president, the Walt Disney Company India and Star India, was re-elected as president of the Indian Broadcasting and Digital Foundation IBDF. TVS Motor Company Bhawan International Group joined hand for Iraq market. Leading 2 and 3 wheeler maker TVS Motor Company has roped in a distribution partner to strengthen its presence in Iraq. The company signed a tri-partnership deal with Bhawan International Group in Muscat, Oman. Kerala wins award for city with most sustainable transport system. Kerala won the award for the city with the most sustainable transport system. The award was given in recognition of the project implemented like Kochi Metro, Water Metro and e-mobility to enhance the transport facility in the city of Kochi. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant begins second phase of sea trial. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier IAC Vikrant set sail for the second sea trials ahead of its planned induction into the Indian Navy by August next year. DRDO successfully flight test expandable aerial target Abhyas. Abhyas is designed and developed by DRDO Laboratory Aeronautical Development Establishment ADE Bangalore for the Indian Armed Forces. The air vehicle Abhyas can be used as an aerial target for the evaluation of various missile systems. Life expectancy in India dropped by 2 years due to COVID. According to the scientists from a city-based International Institute for Population Studies, IIPS, COVID-19 pandemic has affected the life of people across the world. SBI UCO Bank agreed to invest Amrapali project. The Supreme Court was told that the State Bank of India and UCO Bank has agreed to invest rupees 450 crore in Amrapali project, but other banks who were part of a consortium are delaying the process. Government signed share purchase agreement with Tata's for Air India sale. The center has signed the share purchase agreement SPA with Tata Sons for privatization of national carrier Air India. New IPL team CVC Capital wins bid for Ahmedabad. RPSG Group gets Lucknow. Business tycoon Sanjeev Goenka and international equity investment firm Rayliak Company CVC Capital shelled out a combined rupees 12,715 crore, approx 1.7 billion, to win the bid for two new IPL teams, a windfall that far exceeded BCCI expectation. FIFA ranking 2021, India ranks 106. India was ranked 106 in the FIFA Federation International D Football Association ranking 2021. The position of the team India increased to one spot after the victory in the SAFF South Asian Football Federation Championship 2021 of Team India led by Sunil Chhetri. It has secured the 106th position. Under the FIFA ranking, Belgium is at first position, Brazil second, France third position. PM launches Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission in Varanasi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission worth rupees 64,000 crore in his parliamentary constituency Varanasi, UP, to address gaps and strengthen the critical healthcare network from village and block to the district and national level in the next 4 to 5 years. Rajnikant honored with Dadasaheb Phalke Award. Actor Rajnikant was honored with the prestigious 51st Dadasaheb Phalke Award at the 67th National Film Award ceremony for the contribution as an actor, producer and screenwriter. जो स्क्रीन पे ये जो इन्हें अवार्ड प्रोवाइड करा रहे हैं इनका क्या नेम है ये आप कमेंट में बताओगे. सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. आई होप वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो एंड अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज लाइक करना. And this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.